Hi everyone, today I'm going to be unboxing the Jellyfish baby trio. They are so adorable. So they're called the baby trio Dazzling Jellyfish dresses. I love their outfits so much and I really love the colours as well. And I think they'll look really good at the mermaid castle because we've already got like the undersea friends that are a shark and a ray. So they will fit right in there as jellyfish. So now let's open them. They are so adorable. I love the colours of the dresses so much. So we have a milk rabbit baby, a marshmallow mouse baby, and a red deer baby. I think this one's probably my favourite because I love the purple dress. And you can see in the background on the packaging it shows the mermaid castle. So let's get them out. And these boxes are really good if you like to display them in their boxes. So here they are. They are so cute. So here is the milk rabbit. I really love the pink and green. They have lacy dresses. So cute. And then next we have the marshmallow mouse. I think this is probably Albert Marshmallow. It's really cute and I love this on his ear. So adorable. And I think this is Perry Buckley, the red deer baby. I love the red deers. They've always been one of my favourites. Oh, look at the little pearls as well. These are so pretty. I love them so much. So I've just looked up what their names are, and it is Albert Marshmallow, Heather Periwinkle, so she's new, because before it was Henry and Hannah, and Perry Buckley. They are so adorable. I love them so much. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!